Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to show you how to do a hard reset of the infotainment system in the new Skoda Superb. You need to do this in case the screen is not responding. So the procedure is very simple. You just need to press this power button and keep it pressed for around 10 to 12 seconds. So I press it and I keep it pressed. And as you can see, the screen is black now, and I can release it. It will reboot, and the screen should start working immediately. Okay, now the system is rebooted, and you can use the screen again. This is it. It's very simple and very effective. Guys, if you find this video useful, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.